Thank you very much for joining us. I know that you're listening from many parts of the world, Guatemala, you are listening in Asia, Venezuela, Mexico, Haiti, Dominican Republic. I really appreciate that because you're trying to come, even though some of you joining late. But right now we are about to finish. We have only some minutes left. But we also give private English class. Mr. Bob and I, Mr. Pencheli, we also do it. If you want, you can try to click on the link in the chat in order like to get more information. So we had a good clip today. At the beginning, we had a speech with Mr. Bob. He talked about why is it important to learn English. So we can say like English is a key to open door of opportunity. So we use it in education, science, technology, and we also use it in everyday activity because when you don't really speak the language of somebody, you use English as a key. Do you understand? You might find somebody to translate for you because you speak English. I think it's really great. If you already speak English, congratulations, and you just join us to practice. But if you don't really speak yet, let us know. We can help you because we also teach private English. And also we covered like the topic about technology. It was really interesting with Mr. Penchely. And next time we will let you know what is going to be the subject. If you have question, if you have something to say, I give you 5 minutes to do it, and after we will finish.
All right. I got you. But let me say something for the people who recently joined us. So try to get in touch with us. I left a WhatsApp link. Click on it, and we'll tell you the exact time. Maybe you join right now because you have different schedule. Maybe your country and our country they have different time zone. Maybe that's why. And I think Mr. Allen would would appreciate of saying something, to our participants, maybe to encourage them practicing English because English is really the only, according to me, the only lingua franca of the world. And, and Mr. Allen maybe would like to say about his experience, how he studied English in order to speak it so fluently. Mr. Allen, if you would love to take a few minutes, maybe one or two, three, to talk about your experiences in the in your learning process, just unmute yourself and go ahead, please.
All right, Mr. Balf, thank you so much for the opportunity. I do appreciate that. And yeah, I do totally agree with you guys, which you have said. It's super important. English is the only franco lingua all over the world. There's no other language like English. So if you want to get the best opportunity, then I really encourage you guys to keep working on your English. Go ahead, and if you need to pay like a private English session, do it because it's for your own sake. That's what I think, and that's what I have experienced. Well, I would like to share with you guys throughout my English learning journey. It's been amazing because I can still remember when I started. It was quite hard, but it's only the first step. Once you give the first step, I'm pretty sure that things go smoothly, and then you will you will start speaking, and then little by little you will get off the fear, which sometimes it keeps us like, all right, I'll stay over here because I'm afraid. But that's not the reason, guys. That's not an excuse as well, and we should all like keep on working. Just let's go, move forward. Do not stay in the comfort zone. Just go ahead and move ahead. Just go ahead and move forward, because that's the thing that I being told as well for a lot of people. I'm very passionate about learning languages, guys. And if you see, I can speak English. Maybe it's not the best English, but I can actually communicate with others around the world. And that's the point, guys. So I truly encourage you. Let's keep on working. And if it's necessary to pay some private English sessions, let's do it, because this is the moment. If we don't do it, we might regret in the future. And then we'll tell ourselves, hey, why I didn't listen to this guy? He was right, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for the opportunity, guys. I do really appreciate. And yeah, guys, let's do it.
Oh, man. Damn, man. 100% agree with you, Mr. Allen. I really